Well, if I talk of me, but Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know how I really are going. Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers, and we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase, and yes, we are bringing another reasoning, not just another exciting reason, also a serious one. Gaza Nation, hope everybody take the proper precautions and keep safe in light of the recent confirmations of cases locally. Now, visitation has been cancelled. The Thursday visit, viewers and subscribers, has officially been cancelled. No public gathering is now authorized. It might take place wherever you are at, but it is not authorized. So visitation to a facility run by the government is not authorized. However, songs set to be released will be released, viewers and subscribers. The feature track with sicker rhymes titled Incredible for Gaza Ladies, and also the track Ramesh Them by Vybz Kartel, of course, Tikiana, will also be released as previously stated, viewers and subscribers. But very serious situation we see take place locally. We see even news circulating the web, viewers and subscribers, of school closure. Now, the official office, Minister of Education, has said no, there has been no official statement on closure of schools at this point, but the news are circulating. I would say a number of schools already start send home the youth them early. I'm going to see what I go on, and then we're going to do a continued reasoning. Look.
When I go on, man, pass right through. Watching. You hear that again? Every walk, no walk, there's a blood clot cough, so. Still say me, I come as far as come catch nothing. Your mother and can't go give my pit to them. Must be crazy. Right now, I know we are going to Jamaica. I'm going to take up my pin to them out of school. Go on, Miss Chin, blood clot. Do me a better Miss Chin, go on. Hey, that's me. When I bust it, could I really want that? I must be crazy.
Jamaica cool, eh? So you can imagine, yes. Yeah, no, some.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, as we are saying, already started to send home the youth them. And we also see stars that take them precautions. We see Spice overseas. And we see, you know what I mean, Ramesh too, also with the Shensia Ray. Some people might say actually poking fun at the situation. But I don't feel so. This is too serious. It's a worldwide situation. An epidemic is something in a one particular place. A pandemic is something worldwide. And that is what the situation is being presented as. I don't know, one place we hear them talk about it. So it's a very serious situation. So whether or not they might do that, I want to make sure say, not do that. Not pre-war go on and take what take place very seriously. Music is on the way, however. And some people are saying, yo, this is bigger than music, and it is true. This is bigger than music, of course. So we are talking about that as well, because the primary concern on the minds of everybody, locally and internationally. But guess what music do? Guess what music do for fans? It'll elevate the mind, elevate the mood. People are in a certain mood of disparity right now. Sadness, worry, anxiety. And this kind of help balance that. Kind of take that off of the mind, viewers and subscribers. So the people can say, no, we are going on, we are taking precautions, we are pray, and by God's blessings, we are keep safe. And we are do what we need to do, because at the same time, day-to-day interaction, while we can cut it to a minimal, unless we're going to put society on pause, it's hard to stop that completely. Because from a day to day, what make any country, any society, any community work is that day to day interaction. Am I wrong? So it's a situation where, look, even in a country where we see it happen first, them couldn't stop the day to day interaction. Them couldn't, no matter all the precautions them put into place. So that's the blessing. So at this point in time, put precautions in place and just make sure say, oh, nah, do what you need to do. You know what I mean? Stay strong. We need to stay in and do what you need to do. But at the same time, music is on the way. Keep the ones them in a good mood. Elevate, uplift. Because at this point in time, that is all we can do. Aside, make the precautions and do what we need to do. So talk to me in the comment section, viewers and subscribers, and we know what the vibe is like. Where you there? You know what I mean? What the energy is like? What kind of precautions are you taking in light of recent events and recent confirmation of cases locally? Right now that all people are talking about. Maybe the supermarkets already start to limit how much items they can purchase. We don't know. Tell me what go on where you are at. Tell me what the preparation is like there. The supermarkets already empty out where they waste. Certain items have already been sold out. Things like hand sanitizer, them says a must. We say these items have been sold out. Lysol. Every can spray a Lysol, me say right now them at a minimal. If you know none, they have to go grab a can. Definitely a serious situation where I take place right now. So I know when the people them feel like say, yo, because it is being covered so much, or something I want to pay much attention to. No, not because the situation is being covered means I want to pay attention to it. Some people like to say, yo, yeah, me hear that, and this and that and that and the third. But the best thing is to be informed. You have to stay informed. As soon as them tell you something, yes. Whether or not you want to hear or not, listen so that you know. Are the best precaution that. The best precaution that to be aware. Say something actually happen. You know what I mean? So that you can make the necessary precautions for you that best suit you and your day-to-day needs. Because you know what you have to do on a day-to-day basis. Talk to me in the comment section, viewers and subscribers. I'm hoping to keep safe the track. As the way I say, differently from what take place news-wise, this is going to be something for dancehall music. And remember, at this point in time, dancehall we can say is at a shutdown. Because there will be no public gatherings. And one of the backbone of dancehall music is these shows and these performances. But the teacher being, where is that? For a number of years now. Still I do him continuously do for dancehall music. He might drop a new track. Well, two of them in fact. 2 new tracks for dancehall music, while dancehall is at a standstill. Cause you see how people are go. You see Spice are go there. So it look like she's going out for another performance, I would think. Or maybe she's gonna film something for Love and Hip Hop, we're not sure. But we see she'll leave the country, and as a matter of fact, we see she actually arrive in another country. So, you know what I mean? With that being said alone, definitely food for thought. Talk to me in the comment section, I'm gonna feel. You know what I mean? What not about it? What the thought? What to think about the new track? Or not anticipate it? As the way I say, would already see the reaction on the streets right now. Mixed reviews. People actually focus have shifted from what I go on music wise to what take place around them. You know what I mean? As I always said, it's bigger than music. But at the same time, we have to do what we have to do. We have to keep in good spirits. And know say, yeah, precautions have been taken. And we are doing the best we can do at this point in time. And let's say it there. Let's say it at this point in time, viewers and subscribers. Incredible featuring Sicker Rhyme will be released this Friday. As stated. No change in that. And the track there. You know what I mean? Yeah, from Ramesh, them label. Vybz Kartel. Kiana. And nothing normal. Tracks for the ladies. Tracks for the ladies. One thing that dancehall music. I will talk about represent for the ladies. Music for the woman them. The Gaza Nation. How come? We have the most tracks for the ladies. The most tracks for the ladies currently. Talk no man. Nobody else not have track like we have tracks for the ladies. Even Dexter Daps. I who knows if he target audience is of course the ladies. Vybz Kartel still have more chart-topping hit tracks for the ladies than anybody else in a dancehall music currently. Talk to me. That is just facts of the matter. Definitely just facts of the matter at this point in time. You know the settings, viewers and subscribers, of course, are up move. And, the comment section. Yeah, the comment section live. The reason I got talk to me in the comment section. No matter when you see the vlog, the comment section I got open. Just be respectful, however, of the guidelines. But other than that, drop the thoughts, the comments, and the opinions there. You know the something go. You know what I mean? We can contain reason via the comment section. You know the something go. Be respectful. You know what I mean? Too serious. But you know the something go. Despite that, she not trust them. She feel like there's a plot and she have to do what she have to do. But Gucci, she got luxury. We can't tell a specific brand or the mask she da wear. But luxury she go. You know what I mean? I'm Mr. Ramesh too. Luxury settings in go to, but female have on Shensi, I don't know. Hence why people are saying, some people now take the situation very seriously. But it's what it is. You know what I mean? Them hungry to how them choose family. Them know how you handle the situation. But it's the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But to like the reason, of course, to like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, so that you can be notified of all fresh content. As such fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform, viewers and subscribers. The like icon, that's what I'm telling you. Share icon, tell a friend, tell a friend. Tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reason and join the discussion 24/7 in the comment section. Oh, never lucky yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. So other than that, you know the settings, the up move settings, fam. I wouldn't need no ladder, and my sentiments for you and yours. I want to live, love and prosper until the reason again.